Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you something really exciting. How to build a fully animated website, the kind you usually see in Figma design concepts.
You know the ones, with smooth 3D animations, premium feel, the type of design that clients are willing to pay serious money for. I'm talking $1,000, $2,000, even up to $30,000 for a single website, just because of how polished and animated it looks. Today, I'll teach you exactly how to build that yourself. No coding experience needed. Before we start, here's what you'll need. AI-generated images. Those images converted into short animated videos. Claude, Anthropic's AI, to turn everything into a working website. If you're building this for your own portfolio, this alone will be extremely valuable. If you're building this for a client project, you'll also need a backend. And don't worry, I'll cover backend integration, security, and even e-commerce/store functionality in the next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. For today, let's focus on the front end, the design and animation side. Step 1. Generating images.
First, open ChatGPT and click on Create an Image. I'll give you the exact prompt I use. I'll also share it in the description below as a downloadable document, so you can copy it easily.
For today's example, we're going to build a website for headphones. Go step by step. Give the first prompt to generate the assembled/exploded parts view of the headphones. This shows all the individual components clearly, like an exploded diagram. Once that's done, generate a few variations. I usually generate around 5 to 7 images to have good options to choose from. Step 2. Converting images to video. Copy the image, go to Google Flow, VO, and click Create with Google Flow. Drag and drop your image there. Use the first image, the exploded/assembled parts image, and add it under Add Ingredients. Once you add it, go into Prompt and paste in your video animation prompt. I'll share this prompt in the document too. Hit Enter and wait for it to render. Repeat this for 2 to 3 different videos, headphones assembling, rotating, etc. You can generate as many as you like. I'll just show one for this demo. Now let's move to Claude, Anthropic. Open your browser, search for Claude or Anthropic, and start a new chat.
Upload your downloaded videos. Structure your instructions step by step. For example, this is the header video. Then, if you want 2 videos combined into one for the header, merge them first in CapCut before uploading. Basically, give Claude clear, structured instructions on what goes where. I'll share this exact prompt template in the description below. Just customize it with your own name/brand details. Hit Enter, and Claude will start building your website. The best part? These videos will move with your cursor. As you move your mouse across the screen, the animations respond and move accordingly. Very smooth, very premium. Give it a few minutes and your website will be ready. Let's open it in the browser and check it out. Look at how smoothly it moves with the cursor and how clean the layout is. If needed, we can request small tweaks or changes at this point. Personally, I think this came out really well. If you liked it too, this is exactly how you can build it yourself. The prompt document is linked in the description. Go grab it. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you want a full video specifically on how to write the perfect prompt for these kinds of results, let me know in the comments. Once we hit our comment target, I'll create that video and break it down in full detail. That's how easily you can start creating these yourself. Thanks for watching.